In this video, we will examine a real case of a Speed Queen washing machine board showing the ED44 error. This fault is one where the company only suggests replacing the board without providing any technical information. Hello everyone, I'm Manalis from EK Electronics, and today we have a Speed Queen that gave me the notorious ED44 error. The error appears immediately after the door closes, and the main board's communication begins with the keyboard and the screen. The program does not start, and of course, there is no schematic, so to speak. The board is covered with varnish and glues, and its analysis is difficult. I also made the mistake I advise you to avoid in my videos. I found solutions on forums. They said about this fault, change this part, change that one, it will get fixed. And I fell into the trap of the easy fix as well. I wasted hours on measurements and changes that had no value, and along the way, I realized it was also at the wrong stage. In the end, it took me more time instead of saving me time. So with patience and step-by-step of analysis, I reached the root. The error was not epionia. As the forum said, it was overcurrent protection in the motor. Some components had deteriorated. They changed value, giving wrong readings on the plate, so it was believed that the motor draws more current than it should. The worn parts were replaced, a factory reset was performed, tested, and the washing machine started normally. Conclusion. Lesson 1. The company recommends changing the circuit board. And Lesson 2. The internet can be more misleading. The real solution came only through persistence and analysis. If this video helped you repair the Speed Queen ED44 error board, subscribe to the channel and visit ekelectronics.gr to leave your email. To see more practical repairs on electric boards, printers, and professional devices, leave a comment with your own experience or question about similar errors. It could serve as an idea for future videos. And of course, we don't forget the physical store in Heraklion, and you will find all the information in the description, as well as the links for your purchases to support the channel. I do promotions because, as we say, knowledge should be shared, and so that you have a good time with the next video. Hello everyone.